Okay, here's a tutorial under Windows 8.1 on how to keep your mechanical hard drives spinning. That is, how to increase that amount of time that is on. Okay, to do that, let's right click the start button and go to control panel, hardware and sound, power options, and this one is checked, so let's change that plan setting. Okay, change advanced power settings, and here at hard disk, let's open it up and turn off hard disk after not 5 minutes, but let's say 30 minutes, and close it with OK. And that's it. Now all your mechanical hard drives will be spinning for half an hour, and if only after that half an hour they will turn off if you don't touch the keyboard or your mouse. And this will give you quicker access to data, but of course the hard drives will be spinning continuously, so they might heat up a little bit more.